Hello, this is Clay from thejapanesepage.com.
ゆみです。こんにちは。
If you're a beginner to intermediate learner of Japanese, subscribe to our channel for free weekly lessons. Tap or click the subscribe button now for videos that cover anime and manga sentence breakdowns and lessons, Japanese song breakdowns and explanations, our Beginning Japanese Phrases podcast, which is released every Wednesday night, and for upper beginners and intermediates, our Nihongo no Tane podcast, which is released every Sunday night and has English and Japanese subtitles. We also post videos of our lessons found on thejapanesepage.com, which is our free language learning site.
And all that's free.
チャンネル登録してください。
You may know us from our website, thejapanesepage.com, or our web store, thejapanshop.com, with our money-saving digital bundles for helping you with Japanese. For over 20 years now, we've written dozens of books on Japanese, as well as posting hundreds of lessons on our websites. So if you're struggling with Japanese, please remember you are not alone. It isn't easy. I know, I've been a student of Japanese for over 2 decades, and I still make elementary mistakes. But Japanese is so much fun and rewarding. Our goal with our videos and products is to showcase the fun Japanese not found in textbooks. And when you have fun with the language, you will remember more and want to learn more.
So subscribe today and let's learn Japanese together.
一緒に勉強しましょう。チャンネル登録してね。またね。
Bye bye.